Siwander, please don't be like this. Can we exchange the Amrood for something?
You know what? I've been hanging out here all by myself. I'm bored. Maybe if you give me a good riddle to solve, I might let you have some Amrood.
Got it. I swing from trees, but I'm not a bird. But I have a tail. What am I?
Not a bird, but it swings from trees. Oh, hey, wait! It's me! I'm a bandar! Oh, that was fun! Here are a few Am for you.
Pretty Preet, help us please. We've got our am. Now where do we go next? Are the aloo on the path that's hara or the path that's peela? Hara or peela? Bilkul durust dost. It's on the hara path. Kisan Chachu, why are you so angry?
We had to harvest aloo today, but my helper didn't show up. Now I have to do all of this work myself.
Oh no, let us help you, Kisan Chachu.
There are a lot of aloos, and you're a little girl. But I guess it won't hurt for you to try.
I'm not alone, Kisan Chachu. I have my dosts with me. They're going to help me. To help Kisan Chacha pick up aloo, say aloo uthao. Come on dosts, repeat after me. Aloo uthao. Aloo uthao.
Wow, bachcho! Zabardast! You have actually managed to help me harvest the entire aloo field. You know what? Why don't you take a few aloo home so Ammi can make you fries out of them? Here you go. Since they're heavy, why don't you take them in this cart?
Really? Thank you so much. Ammi actually asked us to get aloo from you.
Why didn't you say that earlier?
Whoops, I forgot. We've got our aloo. Now let's go home to Ammi.
Oh, thank you so much, Bubbly. You are such a helpful girl. These are a lot of aloo. How about I make you some fries too? For being such a helpful girl.
Yummy. Yes, please. Bubbly, I can't find my billy. Can you please help me? Huh? Oh no. Let's go find your billy. Chalo. Dost, if you want to find out how we find Alice's billy, then join us in our next episode. Don't be sad that I'm leaving. You can buy our Urdu learning kits from the link in the description below. And keep having fun. Khuda Hafiz.